we're going to go into machine config. If you want to have a welcome screen, like the one that's currently displayed or a custom one, you could keep that as yes. If you don't, you could select no. If you want top banners rotating during the user interface, you could select yes, or you could select no. And if you want them to rotate, you could decide how many seconds you want each top banner to show for. If you have 2 or 3 products that are identical because it's a hot product and you only want to display one picture, you can enable merge aisles by selecting yes. In the event a product jams or the sensor doesn't detect that it's been delivered, you could keep this at yes, in which case the product will disappear so that customers don't try again. The admin password, if you want to change it, you can change it here. Note that that change will not take effect unless the machine is connected online. If you want to add sales tax, you could select yes, type in your tax rate, and if you have an ID scanner, you could select yes here. You could select the age recognition scanner, and if you want to time block it and only have it on during certain times, blue means on, white means off. More information about machine configuration is available in our help center. You can click chat and you could see lots and lots of guides and software setup that you can learn more.